everyone. Today I'm going to teach you COI in French in the simplest way. If it has always confused you, stay with me because in just a few minutes you'll finally understand it. A COI means complément d'objet indirect en français. In English, it's an indirect object. It answers the questions like to whom, for whom, to what, for what. For example, je parle à mon ami. À mon ami here is a COI. I'm speaking to my friend. To my friend here is an indirect object or COI. Okay, when do we use COI pronouns? We use them when we want to avoid repeating the same words. To master COI, you must know which verbs are followed by a. For example, répondre à, téléphoner à, parler à, penser à. When a verb takes a before a person, we replace that part with COI pronoun like lui or leur. For example, je parle à mon ami. Instead of je parle à mon ami, we can say je lui parle. Je lui parle. We replace à mon ami with lui. COI pronouns in French. For je, me, tu, te, il, lui, elle, lui, nous, vous, il plural, leur, elle plural, leur. The COI pronoun goes before the verb. For example, je téléphone à ma sœur. Je lui téléphone. Je donne le livre à mes amis. Je leur donne le livre. So, instead of à ma sœur, we replace it with lui. Instead of à mes amis, we replace it with leur. Well, how to recognize COI and COD? If the verb comes with a plus person, it's COI. If the verb has no preposition, usually it's COD. Examples: je parle à Paul. Je lui parle. Je vois Paul. Je le vois. Why? Because of a. If before Paul we have a, it's COI. Je réponds à ma mère. Je lui réponds. Nous écrivons à nos professeurs. Nous leur écrivons. Il pense à toi. Il te pense. So we have subject plus COI pronouns plus verb. Always, always the COI pronouns come before the verb. Now you know exactly when to use COI in French. Write your own examples with lui and leur in the comments. And if you want more simple French lessons, don't forget to like and subscribe. À très bientôt!